Right. You're out. Fuck me. Didn't do that again. I really hate the stack marker. It scares the hell out of me. You can't be too far out at all. And then there's people like not dead center and they're kind of like crowding where you honestly need to be. You can't make it. Right. Back. I'll move. Good. Yeah. That's better. Not with the two people who are mostly messing up are gone. Bard's messed up a few times, but it's nowhere near the level of that red mage and samurai. Yeah. I still can't believe you sent me a friend request. So, are we getting married today? Or are you canceling it? Don't know. You got like 2.5 hours to decide.
I know. No, I said that I haven't been feeling good, and then I've been busy with everything else the entire week. I mean, I would actually have friends be there, but it's kind of hard to do that like a few hours before. And hi, especially people that haven't been logged in for ages. But I don't know. I'm standing in front of her and trying to see if I can change the date, but I don't know how to do that.
Just go advertise in Roggar's Reach. Free minions.
I said with friends, honey. Not complete strangers. Yeah, I don't know. And that would be fun. People crashing a wedding wouldn't be a problem at all. I don't know, honestly. No, can people do that?
What happened?
You play that? Are you serious? Can people do that? Oh.
Oh. Well. Yeah, I didn't hear the first part. That sounds like WoW.
That's so mean.
I played on a PvP server. Shit like that would happen all the time. It's the only way to play. So enjoy the character servers. But,
I don't know. Besides. I think you also need to be here.
Oh, you think I have to be there to
Yeah.
change it?
I think most of us needs to.
Feeling confident in this one. Especially when they nice. Yeah, get nice emptiness things like this. Makes you feel better. Okay, Delta. Mages, what is wrong with you? Beautiful. Better down at this time. I don't want to. Oh god, I'm gonna ask all I got today. Filter roll. Oh my god, I'm so. I thought I was the stack. No one saw anything. Colors. Okay. Let's see what that is. No. So that's outside. The middle. Just remember to run the laser every time. Every single time. Just run right to him. Die on this one, yeah. Don't move. Mm-mm. Yeah, you should have layers. Ideally. Oh god, that hurt. Really?
Yeah, I'm
So-
pretty sure you need to be here.
Okay. Alright, this is a kill if it does anything wrong. Like the arrow. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's fine. I'll try. Delta, same thing. I might eat this arrow. Yeah, that's a lot of damage. I'm probably gonna eat the arrow. Okay, thank you. Which side you going? Oh, shit. I'm just dead. It's fine. This was not a lot of mitigation there. There was also not a lot of healing there, so it's pretty much fucked for me. Alright, flares again. Outside. Yeah. Okay, colors. Need a lot more DPS on these things. There we go. Okay, this is share again, if I recall. Oh, I mean, you could do that. I'm not 100% sure what people do. Maybe you just take it. I feel like that's a sometimes happens, sometimes doesn't kind of thing. Sometimes it's shared, sometimes it's not. Yeah. This is the one, I'm pretty sure this is the one with the get out of here thing right now. Yeah. Vacuum wave. Yeah. And an arrow. Okay. Nice and easy. Alpha. Center. Okay. There's fairly certain this is green or not green cross delta, just delta attack. Inside. Alright, just kill him. Yeah, just stack right here and kill the boss. Nah, you don't move at all. Whatever you want to, I guess. Yep. That's pretty much all he does. A while until it's like 16 stack, I think. Just gets higher and higher until it's like very unhealable. There it is. I guess he didn't. I'm confused. Thought I had duty complete, but oh well. Maybe that's why there's a serious scrubs going on here. But yeah, I just need on the coffer. I guess that's
clear?
yours. I'll pass on it. I would feel awful if they rolled like a 98 or 99.
Did you just clear?
Yeah.
Congratulations!
Well, got a scholar chest. And I'll roll on that part, boo. No problem.
Now you can go through the pain every single week with
He might not
crab
need
parties.
to. He might not need to. Yep, he doesn't need to.
What do you mean?
He just won the weapon.
First clear and weapon, awesome. Hey, isn't
Yep.
there a shield there too?
Yeah, he gets both.
What? He gets both at the same time?
Well,
That's
that would be
cheating.
no. That would be horrible. Like, why would the paladin specifically get shafted just because they have 2 items? That seems unfair. Like,
Hey.
yeah. Wait,
Mm-hmm.
I'm confused. I definitely know I had duty complete. I wonder. Hmm. I'm not sure what's. Oh yeah, let me go look. Maybe it was a different achievement. Oh, okay, that's why. I was like, something's wrong. I don't. That he shouldn't be good. Yeah.
Well, congratulations. Now,